There is one new YouTube feature that will turn things around for your channel and make your channel to have more views. The time I said this before, listing out the most important features YouTube listed out this year, I told you that I'm going to talk about them one after the other. This particular feature, most of you has been using it, but why you are not seeing any result is because you are not using it the right way. So on this particular video, I am going to break down this feature and tell you how you are going to use it the right way so you can get more views on your channel. Sometimes you can have something, but you don't know the proper way to apply it on your channel. So I'm going to show you, and the feature I'm talking about is the collaboration feature on YouTube. That feature is very, very powerful for people that understand how to use it. I see a lot of people trying to collaborate with other channels, but there are some things you need to consider before you do that collaboration. And once you do it the way I am going to say it in this video, you are definitely going to see results. And I'm equally going to show you how to invite collaborator to your channel in case you don't know how to do it. So give this video a thumbs up as we proceed. Now, what is collaboration feature? Collaboration feature is a feature on YouTube that allows you to collaborate with other creators so that your video can equally be shown to their subscribers. Now, first of all, let me tell you the number one way to apply this strategy rightly so you will get more views. If you want to collaborate with a channel, make sure that the channel you are collaborating with have more subscribers than you. Like if you are on 1002k subscribers, trying to collaborate with a channel of the same subscriber, your videos will not be shown to much audience. And mind you, collaboration features has nothing to do with YouTube recommendation system. I don't know if you're getting my points. Collaboration feature equally helps you to get more views or to get more visibility from the channel you are collaborating with. But the normal YouTube recommendation system still stands, which means YouTube can organically still push your videos while still showing it to the subscribers you collaborated with. So if you want to collaborate, don't collaborate with people on the same subscribers as you. Collaborate with people with higher subscribers. It is going to help you get more visibility. That is number one. Number two, if you want to collaborate, consider the niche. That one is very, very important, but people neglect it. Recently, I've been receiving emails, people telling me that they want to collaborate with my channel. So when I see that email, I said, okay, send me the link of your channel. Let me go through it. When they send me the link of their channel, I will click on the link to their channel. Then I'll be seeing that these people are making videos on YouTube automation, faceless YouTube channels, folktale stories, different type of niches that is not even related to YouTube growth tips. So when I see this type of request, I will tell the person, this channel does not align with my channel, so the collaboration will not work. So if you don't consider the niche, you can even collaborate with somebody with 1 million subscribers and you will not see results. What you are going to do is that particular niche you are into, email the people that are in the same niche as you. If you are talking about YouTube automation, your target should be channels that are into YouTube automation, so that once you collaborate with them and their fans or their subscribers sees your video, it will be easier for them to click it and watch because the contents are related. Not somebody that is into food channel talking about how to cook, cooking recipes, and you are into cartoon and animation, and you want both of you to collaborate because you see they have higher subscribers. If you use the feature, you are using it the wrong way, so it will not work. So before you collaborate with someone, make sure that both of you are into the same niche. With that, it will help the video to be fully optimized and YouTube can equally show it to the both subscribers. So before I go into number 3, let me quickly show you how to add collaboration while uploading your video. First of all, I will show you using normal YouTube app, and I will equally show you why using Google Chrome, anyone that suits you the best. So now, this is YouTube. You click on this plus sign, you know how to upload video, then you go to your videos. I want to go with this particular video. You click on next. All right. So when they now bring you out to this particular phase, you add your title, your description, set your visibility, channel not meant for kids, add to playlist, tag products. After this, you go down, you will see where they wrote invite collaborator. Then you click on this invite. Then you search the name of the channel that you want to invite. You click on it, the name of the channel you want to invite. Then this particular one is very, very important. Allow analytics viewing. They won't have access to revenue information. If you turn on this particular feature now, it means that those people will be seeing the analytics of that particular video. The only thing they will not see is the money you made from that particular video. But every other analytics, the watch hour, the views, all of them, they will see it. But the watch hour, the views of that particular video belongs to you that created the content. You will not have to share those ones with the person you are collaborating with. Now, so if you want them to see the analytics, you click on, you turn on this feature. But if you don't want, you turn it off. Then you click on create link. You click on create link, then you copy this link. If you copy this link, you go to their email or their WhatsApp, depending on where you guys are communicating, then you paste it. They will now click it and accept the collaboration. I don't know if you're getting my point. This is how to do it using YouTube mobile app. Let me equally show you how to do it using desktop. So for people that upload video using Google Chrome, so this is the interface. This is the dashboard of my channel using Google Chrome. Remember, you are going to click on create. You already know how to upload videos, but if you don't know how to upload video on YouTube the right way, I have a video on this particular channel where I posted how to upload video the right way. If you search it, you are going to see it. It's one of my most popular videos. Then you watch it, so you will learn how to upload video on YouTube. So what are you going to do? You click on create, then you click on upload video. You click here, you go to your videos. The video is uploading. So what are you going to do? You click on show more. This is after writing your title, your description, your thumbnail, you know those ones. But if you don't know how to do it, go and watch that video, how to upload video the right way. So you click on show more. If you go down, you will see where they wrote invite a collaborator. Then you can still click on invite. The same process that you will take. You search the name of the channel. The same process that you will take using the YouTube mobile app is the same process that you are going to take using the Google Chrome to invite a collaborator to your channel, so that your videos will equally be shown to that person's subscribers. So that is how to do the collaboration. Then the third one, if you are inviting a collaborator, most importantly, make sure that you have a good content, so that you don't end up inviting somebody as collaborator and their audience will watch your video and they consider it boring. So make a good quality content, so that if someone accepts your collaboration invitation, when their audience or their subscribers watch their video, they will still derive the same satisfaction they normally get when they watch the original creator's video. For people that are showing their face, if you want the collaboration feature to work perfectly fine, that person you are collaborating with, make sure that that person is equally in the video. Two people on the same niche but with different fan base. When both of you come together to make one video, then you post it on your channel and equally tag the other channel as collaborator, which means my audience will watch that video and their audience will watch their video, and my audience will see their favorite creator, while your audience will equally see their favorite creator, and the both audience will now see us together. So this particular one will make them to like the video and they will equally subscribe to the both channels. I don't know if you're getting my point. So for people that are handling faceless channels, you can reach out to bigger creators and tell them that you want to collaborate with them. It doesn't necessarily mean both of you should make the video together, but if you're showing your face, inviting the person physically, creating content with that person, then use the collaboration feature is a good way to grow and see massive results using that collaboration feature. Before you know it, a channel of 1,000 subscribers, before you know, you see it at 2K, 3K, 5K, or even 10K subscribers, and the views and the watch hours will equally be counting, irrespective of where the audience are coming from. Remember, it does not affect the YouTube recommendation system. If you post your video, normally YouTube will be pushing it. That is the algorithm system recommending your videos. But the subscriber of the person you are collaborating with, your videos will equally be on their screen. So if the video interests them, they are going to watch and equally subscribe to your channel. As it stands now, this is one of my favorite features on YouTube. But the things I mentioned in this video is the right way to use it. So before you invite somebody to collaborate with you, make sure that your niche are related, so that even if the person accepts to tag your video along to his channel, when my audience or the audience of the collaborator is watching the video, they will equally know that this is what I want to see. Not sending your videos to the wrong audience. It will not get views and it will not give you that visibility you are looking for. So any feature you want to use, make sure you use it the right way and you're going to see results. For people that are seeing me for the first time, my name is Jazi and I am a creator for the creators. I make content teaching people how to grow their YouTube channel and their other social media handles. So if that interests you, kindly subscribe to my channel and share this video to other people so they can equally watch and subscribe. Do not forget to follow me across all social media platforms at Jazi Nation 1. Thank you so much, and I'm gonna see you on my next video.